This is Aiden Wolf. Welcome back to Dark Corner Studios. Of course, my name is Aiden Wolf, and today's tough. Today's very tough. What do we got here? Oh, yeah, look at that. New lens, by the way. Anyways, today we're going to be a little bit different. Since I moved into this new studio, love it, by the way, but it's been a little hectic. I'm not exactly sure about the setup thus far, so I think I want to change things up a little bit, and I haven't given a studio tour because things have just been, well, I mean, best way to do this is, I guess, just to show you the rest of the studio. See all that back there? Yeah, it's a mess. Oh, and the couch. Yeah, it's not good. Here. Get it even closer for you there. Yeah, see, I got my TV set up there. I've got all the crap laying around. Let's just say this whole studio venture has been fun, but I think I'm going to need something a little more usable. And this hasn't been usable so far. So my first thought is back in this corner. I think I might actually use this area for the studio rather than this corner. This corner is right beside the door, as you can see. This is the laundry room right back here and all that stuff. So I figure that back corner would probably be better suited for me. Now it's just making sure I can fit everything into that back corner. So I guess let's see what happens. Maybe some time-lapse. Time-lapse looks like fun. And with those few seconds out of the way, we have a whole new studio. Now, actually, you know what? Let me turn this on. There we go. So before, my studio was in this corner. The only real major things that I swapped out were I put up some shelves here to display some stuff. Sorry, that right there. But I also got rid of the couch, the futon that was here. It was just too big, way too big. It was taking up all the space in here. And what I did was I moved my studio over to this corner. As you can see, I have a lot more room. I also have a lot more sound kind of dampening material on the walls, which is kind of what I was looking for. I wasn't utilizing enough of these. This was the biggest problem I had in here. I had 5 of them, but I only had, I think, 3 up on the wall. So that gives us a lot better sound treatment in here, and you can probably hear it in this microphone. However, let me walk you through. So once again, we have the new studio. Over here, I've got this workbench. This is on wheels. I can actually move it around. And this is going to be a nice presenting table, something to stand behind while I'm unboxing or I'm showcasing a specific item. That's one of the things I really wanted in here. And this kind of takes place to the couch, which, let's be honest, this is probably a lot more usable for me. And then, of course, I put in the shelves with all this stuff on the shelves. It used to be in the background of my last set, which, thank God we're out of there. And, of course, I've got more shelving down here. And I've got my guitar and all that stuff kind of tucked away. But otherwise, I have a lot more room now. You can see as I walk towards my computer, everything in the background is just so much cleaner, so much easier to deal with. And you know what? I think I'm going to like this a little bit more. So stay tuned. We got more videos coming. We have more products that are going to be unboxed. We have more products that are going to be reviewed. And that's all coming in the coming weeks. Is something called a Stellar X2? Just to drop a name or two. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, get subscribed. There's definitely more coming, and I'll see you in the next video.